So good morning, everyone. So almost we are the end of the counters topic. Already discussed asynchronous and synchronous in detail, and also their design procedures. Okay, and in the mod counter also, mod 6, mod 10, mod 9 counter. So still I am going to discuss one more counter here, that is synchronous mod 9 counter. Okay. So as you know, mod 9 is there, so highest is 9 factor is there. So 9 means 9 states. Okay. So from 0 to 8. Okay. Mod means that is the total number of count. Mod 9 means total 9 number of counts will be there. Okay, mod 10 means total number of 10 state will be there. So total count is 10. So in this case, mod 9 means total count would be 9. That is 0 to 8. Okay, so that means total 9. So after 8, automatically it will be reset. That means it will be again 0. After 8, the next state should be 0. Okay, so 0 to 8, that's why it is called mod 9. Here we are going to use TP. So as I told you earlier, every time you have to remember the excitation table. Every time. Okay. Of each and every flip flop. Say चाहे वो SR flip flop हो, चाहे वो JK flip flop हो, चाहे वो T flip flop हो, whatever. Every time you must keep in mind the excitation interval of individual flip flops. Okay. Then you will be able to uh, design of any sort of count. Okay. So see the state diagram. Okay. So I am showing here the state diagram first. So this is your state diagram, means the states that will be counted. So this is 0. It will start from 0. Okay. They did not mention any type, whether it is up count or down count. So normally we prefer up count. So this is 0. So present 0, then 1, then 1 say 2, 2 say 3, 3 say 4, 4 say 5, 5 say 6, 6 say 7, and then 7 say 8. And after 8, see here, is the breakthrough. After 8, automatically it will be initiated again, and that is it again go down to 0. So this is the state diagram. So how many states are there? 9 states are there. So that's for mod 9. So after 8, it should be again back to the 0 state. So in that way, this is present state and this is next state as I mentioned earlier. So present is next state. After that, you have to find out required excitations. So for finding out required excitations, you have to remember that excitation level of the T flip flop. Excitation level of the T flip flop. Okay. Then already I mentioned you. तो प्रेजेंट स्टेट क्या है 0, नेक्स्ट स्टेट 1, प्रेजेंट स्टेट 1, नेक्स्ट स्टेट 2, so present state 2 3 and 3 4 4 5 5 then 6 6 then 7 8 and then 7 then 8 after 8 see here present state 8 है next state क्या होगा 0 हो जाएगा तो 8 है उसके बाद 0 हो जाएगा 0 then all other cases you don't have the other conditions because 9 से 15 तक all are absent here because it's a mod 9. Okay, it's not a mod 16 counter. If it is mod 16, then automatically it will start from 0 and it will end with 15. That is all ones. But after 8, it will be again resetting to 0. So accordingly, Q4, Q4, keeping in mind Q4, Q4, you have to find out T4. Okay. And accordingly, for Q3, Q3, present next step, you have to design T3. Similarly, Q2, Q2, you have to design T2, and for Q1 present state, Q1 next state, by comparison, by considering Q1 values between PS and NS, you will have T. So accordingly, you have to find out the KMF values. You have to put all these values using the KMF. So this is your T4, T3, T2, T1. We are going to finding out the KMF for excitation T1, T2, T3, T4, or T4, T3, T2, T1. In terms of this output T1, T2, T3, and T4. Okay. So we're going to find out T4, T3, T2, T1 in terms of T1, T2, T3, and T4. Okay. So for that we have used this KMF for T4. Okay. Those values are not absent in the truth table. मान लो 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, 15. All these are should be done किया. So देखो all that positions देखो यहाँ पे 8, 9, sorry 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are don't care. 11, 10, 11, 9. These are also don't care. So starting from 9, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all are don't care serial. Okay, as I already mentioned you, those tables, those values are not present in the table, that should be considered as don't care. So keep in mind that we are designing table. So after designing by placing the values, don't care and the logic ones, we are going to making some sort of pairs. It may be pair, it may be octet, it may be quad. Okay, so accordingly we have the expressions. So here T4 is equal to, we got Q4 plus Q3 plus into Q2 into Q1. So from this we are having one expression, that is Q4, and for that you are having Q3 into Q1. Now come to T3 position. So this one, then don't care. So for that we get T3 is equal to, because this is 1 1, so 1 1 means Q2 Q1. So Q2 Q1. Therefore you have Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4. In that way we are placing the variables Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4. So easily you can find out T3 here from this table. Okay, I think don't have any doubt, because we already practiced more numericals in KML, so it is clear now. So now we go for T2. So यहाँ पे देखो all are basically one, you can consider. So यहाँ पे क्या है, Q1 is the common, because 1 is the common here, 0 1 change हो गया. So Q1 is the common, यहाँ पे all are changing, so Q1, so T2 is equal to Q1. So you know that if 8 octave is there, so we can have single variable. Yeah, therefore this is one also octave, so we are giving the single variable. Okay, for for which for variable pattern. Okay. Now यहाँ पे देखो, this is also we are getting all are ones here. Okay, all are ones here. So now from there we get this value. तो T1, T2, T3, T4 मिल गया. ओके, T1, T2, T3, T4 मिल गया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या मिला, T4 मिला, बिकॉज octave means single variable, so T4 मिल गया. तो this is also octave, so single variable T1 मिल गया. So this is T1 is equal to Q4 bar, T2 is equal to Q1, T3 is equal to Q2 Q1, and T4 is equal to सबसे बड़ा Q4 plus Q3 Q2 Q1. So we got T1 T2 T3 Q2. So accordingly we have to design it. So we can design it. How to design? देखो, how many flip flops you require? You need 4 flip flops. So you can at the extreme right you can place T1, then second position में T2, third position में T3, and fourth position में T4. Okay. So now T1 में क्या है, आउटपुट Q1, T2 में आउटपुट Q2, T3 में आउटपुट Q3, T4 में आउटपुट Q4. And after placing, and as it is synchronous counter, so all the clocks are triggered at the same time. So all the clocks can be tied together and it is connected to the single clock input. So in that way you must design this counter. Okay, so it's simple one. So question may come, designing a mod 9 counter using T flip flop. Okay, if it is JK flip flop, then in that case you have to change this excitation table. So it should be J4, K4, J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1. So in that case 4 into 2, 8 variables will be there, required excitation. Okay. So T flip flop के लिए इसलिए कुछ आसान हो गया कि जेके होगा तो T4 के लिए यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल, यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल, यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल, यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल. So मान लो भाई 8 वेरिएबल्स होगा, J1, K1, J2, K2, J3, K3, J4, K4. So in that way you will. If you have doubt regarding designing of non-9 counter using T flip flop, so I can give you the answer. If you have doubt, any doubt, okay. If you have any doubt regarding this, so I can give you the answer. So I'm not discussing mod 6. Already we discussed all these things. We'll go for some other counter, shift register counter. Okay. This is also important. Shift register counter. Already we know what is register, because register basically is storing some data. You know that flip flop stores flip flop can store a single bit, either 0 or 1. So 1 bit storage capacity is there for a flip flop. Okay. Now, if you add, there is 2D pattern. If you add more flip flop, cascading flip flop, so that means you are having register. Using register, you can store more than 1 bit. So number of number of flip flops is equal to the number of bit to be stored. If there are 4 number of flip flops, so you can store 4 bit simultaneously. If there are 3 number of flip flops, so you can store 3 bits simultaneously. If you have 2 flip flops simultaneously and you are designing a register, so that can handle 2 bits simultaneously. So keeping that in mind, we are going to design counter based on a register principle. Okay. See, this is called the shift register, means it's a ring counter. Okay, it's a ring counter. Connection देखिए, connection क्या है? All the flip flops having the clock. This is clock. This is clock. This is clock input. Okay, so all the inputs, clock inputs are tied together. X अपने जुड़ा हुआ है and they are connected to clock input. So that means it's synchronous counter. Now क्या है? It's a D flip flop. तो फर्स्ट वाला जो flip flop है उसका आउटपुट सेकंड का इनपुट पे कनेक्टेड है. First output is connected to the next input. Second output is connected to the third input. And the third output is connected to the fourth input. So Q1 is equal to D2. Q2 is equal to D3 and Q3 is equal to D4 in that. And lastly, they are coupled C. Q4 also connected to D1. Otherwise, how to get D1? So it's a kind of register connection because output input पे आ गया. That's it's a rotation, something like that. It's some kind of rotation. Okay. Now it will operate. So this is a logic diagram of 4-bit ring counter using D flip flop. Okay. So using JK flip flop also. This is using D flip flop. So logic diagram for 4-bit ring counter using JK flip flop. So J1 K1, J2 K2, J3 K3, J4 K4. So टेंशन लेने का कोई जरूरी नहीं है क्योंकि फ्लिप फ्लॉप्स जो भी हो द लॉजिक इज सेम. सो इसका भी देखो Q1 जो फर्स्ट वाला आउटपुट है वो सेकंड का इनपुट में, सेकंड का आउटपुट थर्ड का इनपुट में, और थर्ड का जो आउटपुट है वो फाइनल जो स्टेज है उसका इनपुट पे चला जाए. नाउ द आउटपुट फ्रॉम द फाइनल स्टेज दैट इज Q4 is getting connected with J1. So it's a rotation kind of thing. And all the clocks we have this clock, this is the clock, this is clock, this is clock, this is clock. So all the 4 clocks are connecting together and attached to the single or single clock input. Okay. So these are the operations. तो ये क्या होगा? स्टार्ट देखो Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4. पहला वाला क्या है? 1 0 0 0. ठीक है. मान लो यहाँ पे Q1 is equal to 1, Q2 is equal to 0, Q3 is equal to 0, Q4 is equal to 0. Okay, so no clock is there, 0 clock. So we still did not use clock. Now you have to apply clock. So as soon as you are applying clock, what will happen? You know that as soon as the clock is applied, your output, your desired output will be there. So as soon as you are applying clock, तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे Q4 में क्या है? 0 है. So as soon as you are applying clock, that 0 will coming back to the input, that is J1. Okay, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे Q बार क्या होगा? Q4 0, तो Q बार 1, so 0 1 बेसिकली. So यहाँ पे 0 इधर से 1. So JK में क्या इनपुट हो रहा है? फर्स्ट फ्लिप फ्लॉप में सोचो 0 1. तो जब इनपुट में 0 1 होता है तो वो रीसेट होता है आउटपुट. सो Q1 इसको 0 हो जाएगा. नाउ सोचो यहाँ पे 1 था, ठीक है, तो इसलिए J2 में 1 हो गया तो Q2 क्या होगा? 1 होगा. ओके, बिकॉज 1 0 में क्या होता है? आउटपुट सेट होता है 1. यहाँ पे क्या था? प्रीवियसली Q2 में क्या था? देखो Q2 में 0 था, इसलिए Q3 में 0 आ गया. Q3 में 0. ना Q3 में क्या था? 0 था. तो Q4 में क्या होगा? as soon as you are applying clock, that 0 will pass to the output, that is 0. So इसलिए क्या हो गया देखो, Q1 में 1 था, Q1 में 1 था, Q2 में 0। ध्यान से सुनिए, यहाँ पे 1 0 0 0, तो क्या होगा, वो रोटेट होगा, वो जस्ट शिफ्टिंग देयर प्लेसेस, नथिंग मोर देन दैट। तो यहाँ पे जो 1 था इस पोजीशन में आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 0 था, वो 0 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे जो 0 था वो इस जगह में आ जाएगा, और Q4 में 0 जो था वो J1 में आके वो Q1 में चला गया। फिर क्या हुआ आउटपुट का स्टेज, यहाँ पे 0, Q2 को 1, Q3 को 0, Q4 को 0, इसलिए 0 1 0 0। now देखो जो, now as soon as you are applying clock this 1, ओके क्या होगा, ये 0 Q1 में आ जाएगा, ये 0 इस तरफ होगा, ये 0 यहाँ पे आएगा, this 1 will come this diagonal, सी दिस 0 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, सो डायगोनल होगा, और Q4 डायरेक्टली Q1 में चला जाएगा। ना देखो यहाँ पे 0 है, 0 आ गया, तो दिस 0 दिस 0 दिस 0 दिस 0 दिस 1 डायगोनल, देखो दिस डायगोनल, दिस इज आल्सो डायगोनल, दिस इज आल्सो डायगोनल। और पहला वाला Q1 का क्या होगा, Q उसका पहला स्टेट में Q4 में जो होगा वही Q1 में आ जाएगा। ना देखो यहाँ पे क्या है 0 0 0 1, तो व्हाट इज द Q4 वैल्यू 1। तो तुम जब अप्लाई करोगे क्लॉक, as soon as you are applying the clock, Q4 में जो होगा वो Q1 में चला आएगा। तो देखो Q4 में जो था Q1 में चला आया, और Q1 में जो था वो Q2 में चला जाएगा, Q2 में जो है Q3 में चला जाएगा, Q3 में जो है Q4 में चला जाएगा। So 1 0 0 0 again it's come the same thing, so it will repeat itself। So 1 0 0 था पहले, वो फिर से 1 0 0 0 आ गया, तो क्या होगा, ये रिपीट होगा 1 0 0 0 पहले के 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 एंड 0 0 1, सो ये रिपीट हो गया। सो दिस इज द केस। सो हाउ मेनी स्टेजेस आर देयर, वी आर हैविंग 4 स्टेजेस। क्या है 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 एंड 0 0 1, दैट मींस 1 2 4 and 8। if you convert it in decimal, it will be 1 2 4 and 8। so देखो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट डायग्राम देखो, 1 0 0 से स्टार्ट हुआ, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या है 0 1 0 0, देन क्या होगा 0 0 1 0, ठीक है, उसके बाद 0 0 1। सो दिस इज योर लॉजिक डायग्राम फॉर 4-bit रिंग काउंटर using JK flip flop and D flip flop, and this is the working principle। okay, this is the working principle। and why it is the connection same, because we are here we are using 1 0 or 0 0 conditions, okay, not we are using toggle state। यहाँ पे कभी भी जेके में एक साथ में 1 नहीं होगा, जेके में 1 नहीं होगा, तो एज जेके में 1 एक साथ में नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसलिए टॉगल नहीं होगा, इसलिए जो कनेक्शन डी में होगा, जो रिजल्ट और डी में होगा वो जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप में वो सेम रिजल्ट होगा, इसलिए कनेक्शन सेम, ठीक है। तो you can either use D flip flop, you can or you can use JK flip flops to have ring counter। so नाम क्या है, ring counter, right? इसका ring is some kind of dice, rotation is there, okay, circulation process is there। if you have doubt you can tell me। so this is your sequence table, this is your state diagram, and this is the, these are the circuit diagrams, okay, and I explain the working principle। जो मैंने बोला वही इधर लिखा रहेगा। वो देखो 1 0 0 0 है, Q2 में क्या है, वो एक बार शिफ्ट हो गया 0, देन फिर क्या 0 1 0 0, वो जो मैंने यहाँ पे मिला है ये Q1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0, Q3 0 0 1 0 एंड Q4 0 0 0 1, वही मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1। तो जो Q1 Q2 Q3 Q4 यहाँ पे मिला है, ओनली 4 स्टेजेज वो देखा है, ओके। Q1 का 0 1 0 0 0, Q2 के लिए 0 1 0 0, Q3 के लिए 0 0 1 0, Q4 के लिए 0 0 0 1। उसके बाद क्या है, यहाँ पे तो सेम रिपीट हो रहा है, आफ्टर 4 क्लॉक, आफ्टर 3 क्लॉक 4 से 7 तक वो सेम स्टेज रिपीट होगा। इफ यू अप्लाई वन मोर क्लॉक, so it will repeat itself its state, so you will not get any new thing। now this is called twisted ring counter, or one of the name is junction counter, okay, one of the name is also junction counter, okay। So it is also called twisted ring. पहला वाला क्या था? Simple ring, and this is called twisted ring. Why this twisted ring? पहला में क्या था? ये Q4 directly connected था, है कि नहीं? Q4 था connected. But here Q4 bar is connected to D1. Nothing more than that. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा नया चीज कुछ नहीं है. And clocks are still connected together and combinedly connected to single clock. In this case also, जेके फ्लिप फ्लॉप में देखो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. क्या है? Q4 is connected to J1 और Q4 bar is connected to J1 and Q4 is connected to K1. So that's it is called twisted crossed coupling. Okay, twisted. Okay, ऊपर नीच में कनेक्टेड है, नीच ऊपर में कनेक्टेड है, and clocks are same. Okay, so this is logic diagram of a 4-bit twisted ring counter using JK. स्टेट यहाँ पे देखो कहाँ से शुरू होता है. 0 से शुरू किया है. 0 then 1 0 0 then 1 1 0 0. देखो 1 ज्यादा हो रहा है. पहले नंबर 1 is 0. then as soon as you are applying clock 1 0 0 हो गया. then the second clock में और एक 1 बढ़ गया. then 0 0. थर्ड क्लॉक में और एक 1 आ गया. फोर्थ क्लॉक में ऑल आर वंस. नाउ जब फिफ्थ होगा वो क्या होगा? नाउ एक एक हट जाएगा. क्या होगा? ऑल आर 1 था, वो पहला वाला पहले यहाँ पे 1 हुआ था, वो 0 हो गया. देन 1 1 1. देन फिर से 0 0 1 1. देन 0 0 ऑल आर 0. दे आर मूविंग टू ऑल 0. सो यहाँ पे 1. देन फाइनली ऑल आर 0. अगेन तुम स्टार्ट करोगे 0 के बाद में क्या होगा? देखो 0 के बाद में क्या है? 8 है, इसलिए 8 आ गया. सो दिस इज द ऑपरेशन. ओके, दे आर स्टेट्स, sequence state actually. So this is your state diagram. Okay, so you are starting with all are 0, so that you have to remember how they are starting. Okay, how to start. Okay, that you have to remember what is the starting conditions. Okay, okay. If you take any one it will come again its initial value. पर पहले को क्या है? इफ यू रिमेम्बर तो थोड़ा सा आसान होगा तुम्हारा एक्सटेंशन. मान लो तुम यहाँ पे 1 0 0 करके स्टार्ट किया है, तो डेफिनेटली दैट विल बी 1 1 0 0 एंड 1 1 1 0. देन 1 ऑल आर 1. नेक्स्ट ब्लॉक में 0 1 1 1 होगा, तो इट विल रिपीट इट्स स्टेट. सो 0 0 0 से अगेन 0 0 तक आने के लिए तुम्हारा 8. ओके, सो 1 से 8 तक पहले यहाँ पे क्लॉक नहीं यूज किए हैं, तो 8 नंबर क्लॉक में फिर से हम लोग 0 में आ गए. 0 0 0 0 ऑल 0 मींस इट्स स्टार्टिंग कंडीशन. So starting condition for this twisted ring counter. Okay, so I think we have completed our counter portions. Okay, so you go through all the counter part. If you have any doubt, we can explain it. Okay, okay, and also we have about to end our lab classes also. I think 1 or 2 classes are remaining. So बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया. एटलीस्ट 10 लैब तो हम लोग कर चुके हैं out of 10. So that is not a bad issue. Okay, we have done a lot, but you have to practice all the lab sessions. Okay, so yeah, as you don't have any practical sessions in the college, so that virtual lab is most important for you, because virtual lab में तुम बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो, क्योंकि वहाँ पे भी तुम प्रैक्टिकली इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. एंड how they are operating, at least they will get the idea. You will must get some idea about the uh, lab lab some kind of lab server actually. I want to mean you. Okay, so कहाँ पे भी तुम्हारा कुछ डाउट है, ठीक है, तो तुम बोल सकते हो. एंड नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग तो हम देखेंगे क्या सिलेबस में है. अच्छा, तुम्हारा टीटीएल लॉजिक फैमिलीज की स्टार्ट हो गया तुम्हारा लॉजिक फैमिली? टीटीएल, डीटीएल, आरटीएल, ईसीएल, nobody did that. So I will concern with lesser those parts are remaining. I will start. Okay. So I think TTL logic family will be there. I'm very sure about that. So definitely we'll go for that because you are studying simultaneously analog electronic circuit. So I will check also how much you have covered because we there use lots of transistors. Lots of transistors. Sometimes we may use uh, your uh, heads also. Yeah, JFET also, MOSFET also for CMOS design के लिए. Okay. So you have to make revision of our diodes, okay, and transistors. Then only we can start DTL, that is diode transistor logic, resistor transistor logic, RTL, DTL. TTL means transistor logic. ECL means emitter couple logic. CMOS means complementary metal oxide semiconductor, CMOS. That means is a part of MOS families. Okay, part of MOS families. MOS family means metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, MOSFET, field effect transistor. So that is FET. MOS means metal oxide. नेट चला गया है तो कुछ किसी को भी कुछ पूछना है तो बोलो. So I think in the next class we'll start new topic. Okay. And I will give you a few assignment later. So I will share the note also. If you have any book, reference book, you can study over there also. And if you have any doubt regarding any topic, you can send me the question. You can call me. Okay. It would be preferable if you call me at night because दिन में बहुत सारा काम रहता है. I'm busy now. So that's the case. अच्छा तुम्हारा मल्टीप्लेक्सर डीमल्टीप्लेक्सर डिकोडर एनकोडर ये सब हो गया ना. Okay, so we can finish today's class. So in the next class we'll start new topic. I don't have any query. Okay, thank you all.